Hey guys, this is my second tutorial and I'm going to show you how to paint these beautiful northern lights. To learn how to paint this, stay tuned till the end of the video. To start off with putting water on my paper with a flat brush, and then I'm going to start adding watercolors so that they can blend nicely and smoothly. Make sure to fill in the spaces of dark blue color with light blue colors to give it a nice glowing and magical effect. I'm going to keep going back over and over again on these base layers to lighten or darken them with water and the colors. And if you also feel like you want to lighten some of the parts of the painting, and if you darken them, then you can just go over with your white paint, and then yeah, you can just create that shade. Alright, so before painting the mountain, you want to make sure that your brush is not too wet. If your brush is too wet, then you're not going to be able to make these dry brush strokes that creates a realistic mountain. Alright, when I'm totally happy with the details of my mountain and how it looks, I'm going to go over with my white paint and make some pine trees. After I'm done with my pine trees, I'm going to take my toothbrush and flick away some white paint. Alright, so if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd want more of such paintings, then do make some requests in the comment box down below, and I'll see you in my next video.